Happy 4th of July. July 4th, 6:17. I'm going over to Jules right now, about to leave, to have a little get together. And then we have a lot of invites, but we're not sure where exactly we're going. I guess we're rolling with Rush for the evening. So we'll be jumping around different houses, I guess, and barbecues and cookouts and blah, 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 blah. But we're definitely gonna hit a nightclub up tonight, so it shall be fun. Flawless, girlfriend. I'm checking out Jules' booty on the camera. Nice booty, Jules. Yeah. Sorry. So where are we going after this, you guys? Where's the party? Where's the party?
Where's the party?
Yeah.
Where's anywhere we go?
Mike Siegel.
Yeah, we can hit his spot up. I didn't masturbate till I had a girlfriend when I was 19 for my birthday. Yes. My best friend. No, not a girlfriend. So you always, when you're a girl, you have guys coming at you left and right from the age of
but
like.
That has nothing to do.
Grass, you have guys coming. So you don't.
But the guys have nothing to do with.
I wish I had I haven't learned night vision yet. Woo! Vanilla Ice. Look at Vanilla Ice. Go ahead, Vanilla Ice. Break it down. NWA style. Shake the booty. I got the camera on the booty. Woo! Exactly. This is what we've gone through in the past 2 hours. Bad business. Yep.
Good.
He like. I have a mouthful of nuts.
I do. I'm not being smart.
Yeah, I so do.
You're not in the picture. I have to be in the picture.
You're in the picture.
Yeah, but you're being Zoom.
Yeah, well, I don't do so well on cameras.
You're right. Say hello.
Hello.